Several of you have asked me about how to attach the rubric to grade your student learning outcome assignments for the spring semester. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that with my own course. Here I have my statistics course for the spring, and I am going to go to the assignments link and find the SLO assignment, which all of you have already set up in your courses and linked to APHIS. Click on the name of the assignment, and typically we would go to the speed grader to enter the scores from 1 to 4 for each student. So let me click on that to show you what we would have done in the past. So for each student, we would have entered a score 1 to 4 and then just kept moving along from student to student. Instead, we're going to go back to the assignment and we are going to attach a rubric. Look at the button that says plus rubric. Go ahead and click there. That did not work. Okay, there it is. And now we have to find the correct rubric to attach. Right here toward the right of the screen, there's a link that says find a rubric. Click there. Now in the very first column, you're going to see some of your Canvas shells, and you're going to need to scroll down until you find the link that says Lake Sumter State College. So it's actually not one of your Canvas shells. It is a separate link that says Lake Sumter State College. When you click on that link, it'll pull up the 4 institutional student learning outcomes, and you'll need to find the correct one. This is my statistics course, so I'm going to attach the information fluency rubric. This is what you would choose for your statistics course or for either one of the MGF courses, MGF 1106 and MGF 1107. All the other math courses that are assessed will use the analytical thinking rubric instead. So you would have chosen that one if you were teaching college algebra, pre-calculus, trigonometry, business calculus, calculus 1, or calculus 2. But again, this is my statistics course, so I'm going to attach the information fluency rubric. Now we're going to go down to where it says use this rubric, and I'm using my tablet, so the screen is showing me a little differently than if I were at my computer. But now the rubric has been attached. You don't have to hit save. It's already been attached to your assignment. Now to grade the assignment, you're going to go to your speed grader, and instead of entering a numerical value, you will need to go to the rubric, and you're going to need to either click on the appropriate box. For example, this would be a 4 and a 4. Notice that by clicking on the boxes, it'll automatically enter the appropriate score in the box. Now this is out of 16 points. So there are 4 categories, and there are different things that we would look for. To be honest, with this first round, I am comfortable with having you determine what score the student would earn from a 1 to a 4 using previous techniques, and then just entering that score for all 4 categories. If you're a little bit more ambitious and you really want to dive into what each of the 4 categories are, you're welcome to do that. But I think for this first go around, it makes sense to kind of know what score you're going to give each student in advance, and then just go through the rubric to enter the appropriate scores. Once you do this for each one of your students, you will be all done with the assignment for that particular class, and you just repeat for each of your assessed courses.